In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 3W, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on this device. So first of all, you need to open your contact list, then pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. So in my case it's Andrew, and then click on edit icon. So this is the one, and once you are in edit panel, just tap on the camera icon and you can either take a photo, it's a perfect option if someone is sitting right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. And in my case it's the second option, which is choose photo. Then let's select the picture that we would like to assign to this contact. Here you can customize it easily, so you can rotate it, crop it. It's all up to you, however you want to make it, and then tap on done. Finally click on save, and that's it. From now on, this photo is assigned to Andrew, to this contact, and every time Andrew will be calling me or any contact will be calling you, you'll be able to see the profile picture at first. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.